Hi, my name's Rob and we're in beautiful Everson, Washington today. We're putting up a fence for one of our team members, Craig. Craig's been with us for over a decade and he's just back from Australia. Come say good day, Craig.
Hi.
So Craig's going to pop in and out of the video while we're shooting this, because what we're going to be doing is we'll be pre-drilling some holes through his neighbor's backyards. So he's going to be, you'll kind of see him popping in and out, just kind of guiding me along so I can hit the spot for where the posts are going to go. So I'm going to do a quick run through on how to install an auger drive onto a skid steer. This has been made really easy for the simple means that all the modern skid steers use a universal quick attach. Mine is a powered style, but there's actually a manual one as well where you would actually push the levers down. But in this case, what I'm going to do is drive up, hook into the universal quick attach here. From the inside of my cab, I'll hit a button that'll actuate this cylinder here. It'll pull the levers down and lock the attachment plate in place. So I'm just going to climb up now and we'll get the attachment plate in place. Okay, so now that I have the attachment plate in place, what I want to do is just do a double check here and make sure that these pins are protruding through the bottom here. That shows me that it's locked in place, and so now the attachment can't come off. Now what I'm going to do is, this one's got universal flat face couplers on here. I'm just going to install them. Okay, I want to check my hose routing, make sure that my hoses run down the side here. Okay, so now when I pivot my auger forward, my hoses aren't going to get caught up in anything. I've got a hose spring here to hold it up out of the way from the pivot area here, so when the auger swings out to stay plumb, it doesn't damage the hoses. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually install the auger here. Once the auger is installed, I just have a pin and a clip here. And it's locked into place and ready to go. The final thing I want to do is an operational check. So what I'm going to do is get back in the machine again. I'm going to start it, lift the auger up and let it hang plumb. I'm just going to operate it and make sure that there's no leaks, make sure that my hoses are unhampered, and that my auger spins freely and in the right direction. Absolute perfection. Everything works as planned. Now we're going to go and do a little project here and get to work and see how it goes.